The Center for Molecular Biomedicine would like to introduce you to the Smart Health Cluster of the Friuli, Venezia, Giulia region, located in the northeast of Italy. We have a highly educated workforce in a very economically active region, as well as a well-developed private and public infrastructure. We have a strong track record as a successful coalition, working in close collaboration with our local health service deliverers. The goal is to be a functional ecosystem, and for that we need the complete package. That is present here, and that includes solid public and private funding, which is present year after year. Located in a beautiful and a strategic location near Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, and the Balkan regions. We would like to invite you to share our vision and to visit us soon. A biologic products pipeline is now under contract from a nearby research institution. To take advantage of the new products, Serichim has begun the GMP project, renovation to create a 5,000 square meter or 54,000 square foot multi-purpose chemistry and biochemistry facility. In the next 3 years, it will permit production of APIs in the 100 kilogram range and also space for biosimilars pilot scale process development. The strategic advantage of adding biotechnology to an established chemistry group is not only for the production of chemical linkers and reagents, and as well the quality control analyses for biosimilars manufacturing, but also because the synergy between chemistry and biotechnology permits highly efficient biocatalytic approaches for chemical products, leading to a competitive advantage in markets which are niches, either in terms of size or location. Many insulins and biosimilars are biologics, chemical conjugations, as a fine chemistry CRMO using kilo-lab continuous and batch pilot plants, as well as state-of-the-art analytical instrumentation. Serichim's group of 20 experienced researchers has demonstrated capabilities, which are now being flanked by our new fermentation and bioprocess engineering laboratory.
Transactiva is a biotech company. We develop green solutions to produce sustainable biopharmaceuticals, focusing on monoclonal antibodies, lysosomal enzymes, and vaccines. Biopharmaceuticals have revolutionized healthcare, addressing previously untreatable conditions. But their current production systems have strong limitations, who make them not accessible to all patients worldwide. Our vision at Transactiva is to make the biopharmaceuticals production economically and ecologically sustainable. We do so by employing whole plants as bioreactors, a technology known as plant molecular farming. Thanks to a unique expertise in medical, plant, and industrial biotechnology, we possess a reliable, scalable, and sustainable platform for the production of biopharmaceuticals in rice seeds. We can offer an already set technology for monoclonal antibodies and lysosomal enzymes, and have achieved IP protection for our production methods. Moreover, we are currently implementing a fast green technology to produce antiviral vaccines. We are now seeking investors who share our vision and are well aware of the biopharmaceuticals and biotech sector. We want to raise $3 million to bring our lead project to the clinical trials. We have a novel and exciting idea for a niche application of monoclonal antibody. We are building a more sustainable future. Are you in?
Good morning everyone, I'm Pasquale Mosella, CEO of SediciDodici SRL. I worked for many years as a general manager in diagnostics company such as Biomirieu, Becton Dickinson and Accelerate Diagnostics. Now I'm proud to be a part of this innovative startup that developed a disruptive technology named Smart Health. What about technology? An overall test assessing the hemostatic balance of patients has always been a challenge dream of hematologists, and this demand still remains unsatisfied. Smart Clot goes very close to meet this desire, giving a response in a few minutes that covers the aspect of the platelet contribution to triggering and supporting the clot formation, as well as the relevant information about the clot formation itself. Some more about the concept that is based on the platelet adhesion to a collagen-absorbed glass surface and their consequent aggregation followed by the formation and deposition of fibrin. Reaction occurs in a controlled flow condition and the desired shear rate. Simple is a citrate anticoagulated whole blood. Now some word about the area of clinical application. The solution is thought both for private and public hospital and pharma as well. Of course, we are talking about cardiosurgery, emergency room, cardiology and so on. And now some words about solution, benefit and performances. About the performances, we have to say that cost effectiveness with a rapid turnaround time that is much less than 20 minutes and is crucial for critical ill patients. Is the only whole blood test to derive direct quantitative parameters of platelet and the fibrin clot components under controlled flow condition, eventually to be tenable. We are quite ready to be in the market in the beginning of next year. And to do that, we need absolutely an investment or a partner that supports us with the clinical trials and validation, FDA compliance, and expanding the number of strategic SERVs. Thank you all for your kind attention.
InSilicoTrials is a company that is developing a platform for the use of modeling simulation to reduce time and cost in the development of medical devices and drugs. We are working with FDA, we are working with EMA, and our target is to provide very powerful simulation coming from our partners that are significant research centers, regulators as FDA, and other institutions to provide to companies the opportunity to make an in silico testing for the development of their own products. We are able to save significantly time and money in the development process and in the creation of package for regulatory approval. So what we are promoting is giving the opportunity to company to embrace quickly and easily a very powerful technology, a very powerful approach to reduce activity with animals, patients, and to increase the opportunity to have information for the decision making. The reduction of uncertainty in the different phases of development is significant, and this is where the modeling simulation can play a significant role in drug development, as well as playing a significant role in automotive and aerospace. With InSilicoTrials, we are working already with big companies, letting them achieve this goal very, very easily.
Wondered how science and medicine has developed so rapidly in our own lifetime? By creating tools to observe and make repeatable measurements and then share that information. Humans are social. We live in a connected world. In fact, there are more mobile connections than people on Earth. Unfortunately, smartphones are not widely used in hospitals. There are simply no sources of information for it to be used effectively. The next time you visit your doctor, take a look around. Everything that your doctor uses to measure your vital information, all the medical devices, can only be used as diagnostic evidence in the presence of your doctor or nurse. Contrary to what you might think, medical devices have not been designed to share and store continuous clinical data. And yet, the third leading cause of death is medical errors in hospitals. Health information needs to be agile and readily available. It also needs to flow continuously and be conveyed to the right person at the right moment, supported equally with slick communication tools for improved team collaboration. We have mastered connected evidence, making available nearly any medical device's data, settings, waveforms, and alarms delivered to interested parties on demand and in real time. I am Dr. Harold Arkoff. I'm a trained surgeon and long-term anesthesiologist who has shared an inside vision of critical care with our team of experienced clinical engineers. Together, we have designed an open architecture communication and medical device integration platform that is accessible, affordable, and rapidly deployable. We are actively looking for investments to grow our sales and support.